kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Sky blue color, purple color, light green color, orange color and pink color. Let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 20. 1. Number 1. Next kids, 2. Number 2. Next, 3. Number 3. Next, 4. Number 4. Next kids, 5. Number 5. Next, 6. Number 6. Next kids, 7. Number 7. Next, 8. Number 8. Next kids, 9. Number 9. Next kids, 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. Next kids, 11. 1, 11. Number 11. Next, 12. 1, 2, 12. Number 12. Next, 13. 1, 3, 13. Number 13. Next, 14. 1, 4, 14. Number 14. Next, 15. 1, 5, 15. Number 15. Next, 16. 1, 6, 16. Number 16. Next, 17. 1, 7, 17. Number 17. Next, 18. 1, 8, 18. Number 18. Next kids, 19. 1, 9, 19. Number 19. Next, 20. 2, 0, 20. Number 20. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.